In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a journal entry in QuickBooks. If you've made an error or simply no longer need a particular entry, QuickBooks makes it straightforward to remove it. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure you can do this quickly and efficiently. First, you'll need to sign into your QuickBooks account. This is a crucial step to access all the necessary features. When you reach the login screen, select QuickBooks Online to proceed. Once you're there, input your login credentials, your email or username and password, and click Continue. This will take you to your QuickBooks dashboard, which serves as the hub for managing your financial activities. Now move your attention to the left navigation menu, where you'll find a section titled Reports. Click on it to access a wide range of reporting tools. For our task today, you'll focus on the For My Accountant section, a handy area that includes several financial documents and records. Within the For My Accountant list, locate and click on Journal. This will open up the journal report, which holds all your existing journal entries. In here, you'll see a comprehensive list unique to your business's financial transactions. Next, it's important to filter through your transactions to find the specific entry you wish to delete. To help navigate through the page, click on Transaction Type to specify what kind of entry you're looking for. Once you have identified the correct journal entry from the list, click on it. Doing so will open up a detailed view of the specific transaction. With the entry open, look towards the bottom of the page and click on More. This will open a drop-down menu providing additional options. Here you will find the Delete button. Clicking Delete is almost the last step in this process, and once clicked, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. It's vital to ensure that this is the right journal entry you wish to remove, as this action cannot be undone within QuickBooks. If you're certain, go ahead and click on Yes to confirm the deletion. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted a journal entry in QuickBooks. Remember, this action is permanent, so it's always a good idea to double check your entries before proceeding with deletion. Using these steps will help you maintain a clean and accurate financial record within your QuickBooks platform. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more practical QuickBooks tutorials.